Okay, so here we go. How do we solve this? The question is find AN and NC in the diagram below. So AN is this piece, AN, and NC is the bottom part, from here to here. So I gotta find those values. Those segments have X's on them. So for here, how can I solve this? Is by using proportions. Proportions, okay? What are my proportions? I'm going to relate the segments from the side of my triangle with the segments on the left side of my triangle. So I'm going to relate the 2x plus 1 to this 6. I'm going to relate the 7x minus 1 to the 18. So I'm going to relate the sides from the right with the sides from the left. How? Like this. So I'm going to have 2x plus 1 related to the 6, which is over the 6. Because I started on the right side, then I start on the right side again. 7x minus 1 over my side from the left side, which is 18. And that's the main proportion. You're going to solve these proportions a lot. Okay, so let's change the color. And from here is just solving the equation. We practice cross multiplication. That's the reason. So we're going to cross multiply. We're going to cross multiply. 6 multiply 7x minus 1. That's one diagonal. What's the other diagonal? Let's change the color. Quick. Say green. My other diagonal is 18 that multiplies 2x plus 1. Same thing that we did. 18 that multiplies 2x plus 1. And from here, I got to solve my equation. So this is the geometry part. Now here is just algebra. I got to solve my equation. How can I solve my equation? We have a number on the outside. We got to distribute. We have to distribute. So let's finish with blue. 6 times 7 is going to give me 42x. 6 times negative 1, negative 6, which is equal to 18 times 2x is 36x. 18 times 1, 18. Now we have x's on both sides. You either cancel the smallest one or the one on the right. So I'm going to cancel that 36x, which is minus 36x on both sides. 42 minus 36 gives me 6x, bring down the negative 6. 36 cancel out, I'll bring down the 18. Okay, now keep going. Plus 6, because I have to leave the x by itself. So I'm going to work on the left side. Those 6's cancel. And I have my 6x equals, and that's supposed to be a 6. 18 plus 6 is 24. So let's make a line over here. So I have 6x equals 24. Right? I'm coming here from the bottom. Divided by 6. Divided by 6 on both sides. And the value of x is equal to 4. But again, I got to read the question because this is not my answer. The question is find AN. AN. So AN from the drawing is 2x plus 1. So AN is 2x plus 1. I have the value of x already, which is 4. So I have 2 times 4 plus 1. And that's going to give me 8 plus 1, which is 9. So AN is 9. I have my first answer, so I'm going to type here 9. Second question is NC. So let's find the NC. Change the color. Same thing that we just did. We plug it back in. Okay, so we have 30 seconds right now. Let's finish. NC. NC is 7x minus 1. 7 times 4, which is my x, minus 1. 7 times 4 is 28. Minus 1 is 27. So NC is 27. And that's my second answer.